It's never too early to start thinking about what tasty treat you will take to your next holiday party, bake sale, or even office party. Need a delicious idea? Watch this short video for a simple and yummy vegan pumpkin pecan cinnamon bread recipe that will be sure to get you 2 thumbs up. For the best and up-to-date vegetarian information, including yummy recipes, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Meatless Monday. Who doesn't like a warm slice of sweet, quick bread that can be either enjoyed as part of a breakfast or a dessert? And banana bread is not the only option in town. Sorry, banana bread. By the end of this video, you'll have a new pumpkin pecan cinnamon bread recipe that is dairy and egg free. Here's what you need. 1½ cup unbleached flour, 3/4 cup white sugar, 1½ teaspoon baking soda, 2 tablespoons cinnamon, 2 teaspoons pumpkin pie spice, ½ teaspoon salt, 1 cup canned pumpkin, 1/4 cup of any vegetable oil, 1/4 cup applesauce, 1/4 cup non-dairy yogurt, ½ cup of non-dairy milk, 2 tablespoons molasses, ½ cup of candied pecans, 1/4 cup brown sugar. Got a sweet tooth? Comment below with the name of your all-time favorite baked good. Here's what you gotta do. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Lightly grease a loaf pan with margarine, oil, or spray. In a large bowl, combine flour, sugar, baking soda, pumpkin pie spice, and salt and mix. In a separate medium bowl, whisk together the pumpkin, oil, applesauce, non-dairy yogurt, milk, and molasses. In a small bowl, mix the pecans, brown sugar, and cinnamon and set aside. We're going to be doing a ton of dishes after this, but it's worth it, I swear. Pour half the batter in the loaf pan, then sprinkle the pecan mixture over it. Pour remaining batter on top. Place a knife through the loaf in zigzag directions to mix the batter and layers around. Place the loaf pan in an oven and bake for 48 to 52 minutes or until the center of bread is set and it passes the toothpick test. Remove from the oven and let cool on the cooling rack for 30 to 45 minutes. Here's a little tip. To remove the entire loaf from the pan, run a knife along the edges, turn the pan upside down, tap, tap, tap the bottom, and watch the loaf fall out. Want more pumpkin recipes that are vegan friendly? Check out my vegan pumpkin chocolate chip cookie recipe video by clicking the link below. Now you know exactly how to quickly whip up a decadent loaf of pumpkin pecan cinnamon bread. But what about cooking up other vegetarian and vegan dishes? I got you covered. I've written a cookbook titled 10 Delicious Meat-Free Dishes to help you cook and enjoy more plant-based foods. Visit the link below to claim your free copy. Also, if you want to join a community of other peeps who are on their own vegetarian and vegan journey, just like you, join us on our Facebook page where I share up-to-date vegetarian news, tips, techniques, and tools to help a vegetarian like you. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe, and share it with your fellow vegetarians, vegans, and flexitarians. And of course, comment below or let me know if there are other video recipes you would like to see. And here's to providing you with tips, techniques, and tools for a vegetarian like you. Thank you for your time today. Take care. Bye-bye.